So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to recover data from a formatted drive using TestDisk. And how to do this, let's get started. First what you need to do is get over to your Google Chrome and then search for TestDisk download, then click on the first link, then click on Windows 64-bit. Now it will automatically download, and once it completes, open the folder and right click on it and then extract it. After extracting, you'll find these files. You need to find photorag_win.exe and run this file. Once you run it, it will open like cmd and you have to do nothing, just press enter. And once you do this, you'll be bring to here. You need to select your data which has C drive in it, so just select that one, then hit enter again, then go with the free one, and then these are the directory where you want to recover the data. So select any one you feel safe with, and once you do this, as you can see, it will start recovering and it will tell you how much is recovered. So yes, this is how you can do it if your problem still occurs. So make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.